I am about to go outside in the snow. I haven't seen snow in forever, so yeah, door's locked. So here it goes. Hold on. Thanks for watching.